Good morning. How to find the modules. If you click on the word modules, it will take you to the individual modules. And when you see complete pages 1, complete pages 2, those are the pages of the modules. So when you click on that, I'm going to click on complete pages 5 through 8. You'll see the individual pages, and you see numbered right up here at the top, pages 1 through 13. So you will scroll through, read the information, do any practice problems like the little example there where it says key terms, and then you can go to the next page. You can also navigate by clicking directly on the contents button across the menu at the top. So when we go to page 6, sorry, that was page 4. So if I click on page 4, I'll see gas law calculations, see the material I need to read, but this on the right-hand side is what we call the gray toolbar, the gray box. And if you click on Lab Properties PDF or Lab Properties Doc, it will open up your assignment. And this is what you will be working on.